Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have to show you this absolutely gorgeous moss agate ring.
I am always on the hunt for unique jewelry pieces. And when I saw this ring from Dfine Jewelry, I had my jaw on the floor with how gorgeous this is. It has the most beautiful coffin cut green moss agate gemstone that is surrounded by these Marquise cut and round cut simulated diamonds. You can even get this ring engraved, and I had it engraved with one of my favorite quotes from a book, and I love how perfectly it is on there. It's just such an extra special touch. I also love how I was able to get this in a half size. I got it in a 9.5, and it fits perfectly on the finger that I got it for. I really think that they have just made such beautiful, high quality pieces.
If you want to get a really gorgeous, unique piece of jewelry, I really recommend getting this one, and that is my point of view.